Hey everyone, I made it into the at-home store. Look right here, we have a postcard for my love, for your love. Will you be mine? Sending you my love. Victoria Valentine. These are 20. They have a little shimmery red pillow. That one's kind of cute. Okay, just a few decor, a lot of red. Oh, look at that gold heart in the back. They're all 20. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day. You have the red. These are $7 and $5 on top. And look at these tumblers. They are color changing for $9. So maybe we'll see those in Walmart soon. You know what? I haven't seen those in Walmart. Now down here reminds me of Home Goods, right? We find these all the time. Oh, you only get one for 10. One square one. Okay, we have picks in here. Looks like they're $5. Oh, look at that large bag of hearts. Maybe put some, I don't know what you want to put in there, but they have pink pillows. Oh look, they have a Charlie Brown. A Snoopy one, that's funny. More love letters. Okay, looks like it may light up for 15. Oh gosh, and they also have Mickey. Okay, I was walking around and I was joking that they're gonna have Easter, and they do, which is kind of early for the at-home store. Normally I don't see this for a while, but 15. And look at the bunnies. I want to say most of the stuff might be the same. $5 for the little guys down here, little girl and guy. You want some bees? They do have them. A bag of carrots. It looks like maybe a carrot garland. Yeah, those are only 10. Well, that's gonna be 40. Okay, these are like pretty much foam. They're 25. And look at the little head. $2.99 for a little head. My gosh, I can't believe it. These doormats are $13. What does that say? Hop on it?
Yeah. Hop on in. Yeah.
Bless, oh, hop on in. You know, but my favorite are gonna be the moss bunnies. They're $13, but again, they're just foam. But in Home Goods, they have really nice moss bunnies, really good quality. These are 15. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I think it's really cute, and it's gonna be 20.
You know who had cute bunnies was Hubby Love.
Oh
They had
yeah,
these little realistic, kind of cartoony realistic ones, but they were cute.
35. Oh my gosh, I love yellow. Yellow is my favorite, but I'm starting to like green a lot. I never really cared for green, but this year I'm all about like green. Okay, here is some more carrots. 10. A carrot wreath at 35. Look at this down here. Welcome. Oh, so cute. It really stinks. It stinks for Easter. You know, you think of doing all this fun stuff. I don't have little children. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Welcome. It's a cute little steak one. Those are $3.50. They also have the gnome, polka dot. You know what? You could even use that one for a baby shower. These are going to be $3. And it looks like maybe 10 for Happy Easter. All right. Look at this little guy. He's 10. These are so cute. I don't know why I like them. 15. Easter bunny, stop here for E. Oh my gosh. Are you guys gonna do the color eggs? Since eggs are, but they're pricey now.
I kind of want to, even though our kids are all grown and like don't want to do anything. I kind of want to do it. Just do it.
Look at this.
Buy myself a basket.
She is, yeah, me too. She is gonna be new. So I honestly thought we were gonna see a lot of the repeat because before the last 2 years, nothing but repeat. Everything here is new.
I like the gnomes.
Yeah, those are cool. Oh, look at him and his top hat.
Dapper duck.
Those are 10. I'm trying to figure out how much this big girl is. I don't see a price on her.
50.
50? Holy smokes. Okay.
And it's just styrofoam.
I honestly thought this one would be like 35. Those are 20. Okay, and the sign is only 10. I saw some more cute items down here. Easter egg hunt. Now there's a purple top hat one, and then you have like orange gnomes. Those are 10. Oh my gosh, you got a little trio for 15. Oh look, I've never seen a inflatable egg. $20. That's kind of funny. Really different. That is new to me.
I kind of wish it had like squiggles or dots.
Oh, like
or something on it.
designs? Yeah. And it looks like they're 12. Wow. You think there's more over here? Oh, no.
Probably getting
Oh.
ready.
And 13.
Oh, it's a garden.
Yeah, it's a flag. These are 17. And the big egg. Talk dirt to me. Staying alive. Smarty plants. Oh, grow up. What?
Not a single one that says, "Can you dig it?"
That's kind of funny. You grow girl. I always see that one no matter where I go. These are 25. Look how different. Life is sweet little watermelon. Oh, look at the flamingo. Those are 22. So I did find St. Patrick's. $10. Oh gosh, he's kind of cool looking though.
I know.
He's like spooky cool looking. How much? You know what? I think this year I may do something
13.
fun for St. Patrick's
He's not
Day.
Warwick Davis scary, but yeah.
Definitely different. And look at this one. Cool table runner, which I've never seen, with the rainbow and the shamrock.
Like yeah.
$30. Oh, yeah, that's cool.
I feel like instead of white, it should have had gold or
Gold,
something.
okay, yeah. And over here it looks like, you know, leftover Christmas, which is 75% off. Yes, 75. So like $25 for that wreath, 75% off. They even still have Christmas trees, you guys. So some of them are like 50.
Down from 200. Which
Yeah.
is great. Yeah.
More gnomes. Oh, look at the turtle.
Oh.
Really different. You know what? It makes me miss Disneyland. Talking with Crush.
You know what's funny? Most of these are going in somebody's bathroom.
We need to put a little plant in here. Yeah, we did.
Yeah. But knots, like a whole
I'm gonna
shadow box
feel-
of knots on our wall.
And this is more garden decor, more gnomies. Oh gosh, look at that frog. Toad, 15. Oh, he's cute. Okay, I like them. $10. Normally, I'm not like a froggy toad person, but last summer from the rain, monsoon, tons of toads when I go walking, and I just fell in love with them. And we would just watch them hop along the road, me and the dog. His little pineapple with his like martini or margarita 20. He has like a coconut drink. That's kind of funny. Yeah, look at more Christmas. Oh wow. Oh gosh, this whole area is filled in. Okay, is the Halloween gone? Nope, there's a few Halloween still.
Oh, really?
Just a little bit. Look at that Santa plate. I don't think I ever seen that one. $30 and take 75. Look at the wooden house. It's an advent calendar.
That's pretty cool.
80,
I like an advent calendar.
80 and 75% off. It's a wooden one. And you could paint it. You could even paint it like Halloween too. You could have a Halloween advent calendar.
Might add another letter too.
See, yeah, there was a whole bunch
Oh, the
last
bonehead
time.
bottles.
Yeah, last time I was here, there was tons left over. And condensed, so it's kind of cool. Oh, shower curtain. Do I need a new one? I mean, well, this is only 25% off. Why can't it be 75? Give it to me for like $2.
Yeah.
And that little guy. How much is that?
$7.
$7 and 75% off.
How much is it off? 75?
Yeah. I've never seen this for Christmas. The blue one. Do you remember looking at this?
No.
The house?
That little skeleton sign's $1.75.
$1.75. Wow.
This house, it's so much of
More gnomes. We got like a bee one, a ladybug, and the bee. Okay.
I like these.
Oh yeah, those are cool.
That's cool. They're little lanterns.
Yeah, like an oil one.
Yeah, like a kerosene or whatever it is.
$59.99. $59.99. He's like, I'm one with nature. We see these all the time. They're back. Taking a selfie. She's on her phone. He's like, look, darling, take a selfie. 35. Oh, these are cool. They do. Look at the crab. We're gonna put tons of little tulips in here. I know, I saw that. Look at, they're on a bike. I do love like this rustic look, the moss growing. $30. And look at the mushroom trees.
Looks like it's at the bottom of
35.
a fish tank.
Yeah. These are 50. This one has like little butterflies on it. It looks like $5 in here. That's 25. Oh, here's like a little one for 10. And the basket will be 18, and your yellow. $35. That's really cute. It's a 4-piece set for 20. This one's gonna glow in the dark for 18. They also have a star and moon one and kind of like maybe a dinosaur. Cute little blankets for children. Oh, a what are they called?
Narwhal.
There we go.
And they're real. That's weird.
Oh, they have all day children and bedding out. So some you're gonna take 25% off. 35 on top and 25% off. Normally I don't really find cute like bedding, but that is cute. Who doesn't want to bed bugs? I do. It's cute.
Get some little flower pillows to go with it and stuff. Yeah.
A little shower curtain. Like if they have their own bathroom. Caution. Dinosaur. Spaceship. Oh, that's cute. So avocado. Twin and full. Little penguin man. It looks so weird without like saying Christmas everywhere down the middle, because Christmas used to be all up and down here.
Yeah, I hate the off season after Christmas when you're like waiting for any holiday to pop up, even if it's like St. Patrick's Day or Valentine's Day, just so you could see something cool.
One's a blue. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I was hoping there would be like more Valentine, but I guess I have to wait a little bit. Here's a few more Easter pillows. That is so crazy. Easter is here. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.